Hello guys, welcome back to VK Tutorials educational channel. In this video, you will learn about few percentage tricks that are very simple and can be helpful for you to use them in competitive exams. So let's get started by learning some basics. As this video is about percentage, I'll just brush up the concept a bit and we'll jump on to the tricky part later. A percent is a fraction whose denominator is 100. It is denoted by the symbol. Suppose if I say 2%, what does 2% mean? 2 by 100. What does 5% mean? 5 by 100. So percent is a fraction which has denominator as 100. So 2% means 2 by 100, 5% means 5 by 100. Now let's learn some tricks using our basics. So here are some basic tricks that you have to remember while solving aptitude problems from percentage topic. First one is 5% of any number. How to find 5% of any number? Just divide the number by 20. Second bit, 10% of any number. Divide the number by 10. Third bit, 12.5% of any number. Divide the number by 8. Fourth bit, 20% of any number. Divide the number by 5. Fifth bit, 25% of any number can be found, that is number by 4. And sixth one is 50% of any number can be formed by number by 2. So you have to remember these tricks whenever you are solving for 5% of any number. Divide by 20. If you are doing it for 20%, divide it by 5. These two go together. And if you are doing 12.5%, divide by 8. 25%, divide by 4. 10%, divide by 10, and 50%, divide by 2. So now let's use these basics and try to solve some problems. First question is, what is 5% of 50% of 500? Four options are given. Option A is 12.5, option B 25, option C 1.25, and option D is 6.25. Now see carefully how I'll be solving this. First we'll solve 50% of 500. So all you have to do is divide 500 by 2. Your answer is 250. Next step is 5% of 50% of 500 is answer is 250. Therefore 250 divided by 20. 0 gets cancelled. What is 25 by 2? 12.5. This is your answer. Second question is, what is 67.5% of 500? So do we have any trick for 67.5%? No, we don't have. So what you have to do, you have to convert it into such a way that you have a trick for it. That is, we have trick for 50%, then we have trick for 12.5%, then we have trick for 5%. So see, 50% plus 12.5% plus 5% will give us what? 67.5%. Isn't it? Yep. So for 50% of 500, what you have to do is divide 500 by 2, and for 12.5% divide 500 by 8, and for 5% divide 500 by 20. Now add these. 250 plus 25, 275. 275 plus 62.5 will give us 37.5. This is our answer. This is how you have to solve. Third question. The monthly income of a person is 8,000 rupees. If his income is increased by 20%, then what will be his monthly income? So let's solve by using our tricks. So they have said that it's his monthly income, a person's monthly income was 8,000. So it increased by 20%. What increased? 20% of 8,000 is what increased. So we have to find 20% of 8,000. So what is 20% of 8,000? 8,000 should be divided by 5. So that is 5, 1600. Your answer is 9,600 rupees. Fourth question. Price of computer is 20,000. Price of computer is given as rupees 20,000. What will the price be after reduction of 25%? 25% in reduction. What will be the price of computer after reduction of 25%? So 20,000 minus 25% of 20,000. So 25% of 20,000, what you have to do for 25% trick? Divided by 4. We will be left out with 5,000. Therefore, 20,000 minus 5,000, the answer is 15,000. By practicing, you can mentally solve these sums, no need of using a pen. These can be calculated in your minds by using those tricks. 25% of 20,000, divide 20,000 by 4 in your mind, you will get your answer 5,000, then minus, you will get subtract 5,000 and you will get your answer. Fifth question is 25% of what amount of money is equal to 12.5% of 180. So from this question we understand that it has asked us to do 25% of what is equals to 12.5% of 180. So what is 12.5% of 180? You have to divide 180 by 8. Divide that number by 8. Then 25% of this question mark should be divided by 4. Isn't it? So therefore the question mark will be 180 by 8 into 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are and 2 ones are 2 90s are. Therefore the answer is 90. Thank you guys for watching the video till the end. If you have visited the channel for the first time, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Guys, need your support. Please like and share as much as you can with your friends and family. Once again, thank you. So 500 by 2 is 250 plus 500 by 8 gives us 62.5 plus 500 by 20. 0 gets cancelled, you will be left out with 25.